Bloody Weekend for Mutare, the 31st of August 2025. By correspondent, Mutare is reeling from grief after a bloody weekend, in which two separate road accidents claimed the lives of respected community figures within hours of each other. In the first tragedy, war veteran Amos Chinyamutngira, 63, was fatally struck in a hit-and-run at the 9 Miles area along the Mutare, Masvingo Road. His niece, Rumbidzai Chinyamutngira, confirmed the devastating news, describing him as a devoted family man and community pillar. We were informed this morning that he had been killed in a hit-and-run incident at the 9 Miles bus stop. At the time, he was waiting for transport to travel to Mutare to collect his war veterans' allowances, she said. She added that the family is still waiting for full details. We understand his body was found lying by the roadside, but we are yet to receive detailed information from authorities. Police investigations are underway, with an official statement expected. Only hours later, tragedy struck again when prominent transporter Godfrey Chikosi and 6 others died in a horrific crash at the Himalaya turnoff along the Mutare, Chiminamani Road. The accident happened around 11 p.m. on Saturday. 4 victims, including Chikosi, died on the spot, while 2 more succumbed to injuries at Victoria Chaitpo Provincial Hospital. 1 survivor remains in critical condition. Fellow transporter Isao Mupfumi confirmed Chikosi's death and dispatched a team to the accident scene in the early hours of Sunday. The 2 tragedies have plunged Mutare into mourning, with residents describing both Chinyamutngira and Chikosi as men who played vital roles in the city's social and economic life.